Hello friends, welcome back. In this series of light upgrades, friends, today we have got a Scorpio-N model in-house. That's the top-end model where we have installed the projector lamps from Xenon Laser Pro. It's the bifocal light with 130 watts output. Let me tell you honestly friends, this is a fabulous product at this ticket size. There is no error code in the meter cluster whatsoever. You can have a look, sir, please. Error code in the car. The car is in on condition and the performance is absolutely great. Adding on to the light solution friends, we have installed this Aozoom TH033 bifocal projector lamps in the bumpers. That's an additional lamp to add on safety for night drive. So for friends, for any such a requirement of your car where you know the lights have been really poor by the company, you can contact us. We will come back with the best of best solution. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next.